What's up guys, it's TechRaccoon back with another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Thermaltake Esports Challenger Pro. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called, but yeah, it's an RGB keyboard with plunger keys, and it does feel pretty decent for a membrane keyboard. So it is a membrane, but yeah, it does feel pretty decent. And it's fully RGB, and you don't actually need software to use the RGB function. You can just use the function buttons. And yeah, so I've got it on my desk right here, and let's take a look at it. So at the moment I have it in red, and you can change it to any color just using the function. And there's a few preset modes here, like if you do function and then print screen, it goes into green, like throbbing type of thing. But you can do function and change the colors more into like different colors. If you do red, then it will become more red. Then you can go again, and that's just like an RGB mode that just like slowly cycles through all the colors. And there's a fast RGB mode that's just going through all the colors rather fast. And then there's a slower version of that, which is actually pretty decent. I don't mind that mode, but yeah, and then back to normal. And there's another mode on here that's just, oh yeah, so that's just like this. So when you tap a key, it just lights up. There's another mode on here where you just tap one key and that one key lights up. I don't know if you guys can see this. Yeah, there. And then we've got another mode, so that's just yellow. This is just like similar to the other one. There's just like one that just flashes around in your color of choice, and just back to that one. And then there's one that just goes around through all the different places and stuff. This goes through all the keys. And there's this one, like raindrops type of style, and not a faster raindrop, and then nothing at all. So I usually have it on just the red, and you just, to change the colors, you just go like, turn it off, and then you can just go green, add a bit of red to that to make it like yellow and stuff. But yeah. And then like to make it just one color, you just wait for it to turn off, and then yeah. So yeah, and it's also 10 clicks to get to its maximum, and then it turns off. So pretty simple to use. You can actually download the software. I've got the software, but it doesn't really work for me. It just like goes blank and stuff. So yeah, that's downside, bit of bad software. It's also got media function keys up the top here. It's got the full keyboard. It's like 100 and something keys. I've got my textured keycaps on here, but yeah. So that's basically, yeah. And also one thing I do love about this keyboard is how underneath the keycaps it also lights up, which is quite good. And so you can like it makes it glow underneath, which is really nice. So that's probably my favorite part of this keyboard. I did choose it over the Corsair due to the fact I want a dynamic setup. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. As you can see, I'm using the BM800 on a boom arm connected up to an audio interface this time, and hopefully the audio sounds rather decent for you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe. You can leave a comment below if you enjoyed the video, and see you guys next time.